Okay, come on, Jacob, let's get hoops. Do you want this one? Is that one? Come on, Jacob. Come over here and hula hoop. Come over here. Come over here. Yeah, right there. Now swing it. Swing it. Swing. Swing. Getting better.
Try again. Hula hoop like a belly dancer.
I can't do that.
Swing it. Whoa, I think it knocked you over.
Oh no. Water hoop too heavy to change direction.
Push it. Swing those hips.
Mommy, stop pulling.
Everybody?
Yeah.
Okay, everyone stop. Can we go again?
No.
Here, stand right here in front of me.
Mommy.
Stand right here in front of me. Put your arms down to your sides or up, straight up. Come here. You guys can go again. Here, put your arms straight up. Put your arms straight up.
No,
Oh, we're going to hula hoop with you.
It's the new hula hoop trick that's sweeping the nation. Decapitator.
Mom.
I know, it's like...
Come here. Come right up next to me and I'll hula hoop with you. Okay. So put your arms straight down by your sides or straight up. Let go of the hoop though. Let go of the hoop. Okay, straight up arms. Don't grab the hoop. Stay right here next to me. Okay, ready? Oh, we tried it. Hang on. Here, turn, face me, and put your arms around me.
Oh, you just mesmerize me with your hula hoop skills.
Here, do it together.
Choke ya. I guess you're so pressed forward.
You want that one?
No.
Whoops.
I don't know.
How do you, is that what you do? You put your arms down and push it up?
You have to... Megan told me to look like a penguin.
Stop.
Yeah. It's just like you're just moving it up.
Stop.
Like, you basically
Make it move down.
Yeah, like this.
you're
Like,
doing right shoulder, left shoulder.
it's like you're just moving the hoop up.
Yes. So you're gonna grab it.
You're like...
Mark,
Stop,
look
everybody.
at this. So if I stick my arm in and I lift it, it just comes up.
Whoa.
So
Whoa.
Never tried it with one arm, actually.
One arm lift.
Stop, Mommy.
Oh,
stop.
nope, I just cheated.
For what?
I'm going to tell you something.
What do you want to tell me?
I'm going to tell you.
Oh, yeah, there we go.
And what you're doing...
Modified decapitator. Very nice.
Everybody, let's
Look at a cat
so I
pussy.
can tell you something.
Okay, tell me something.
Mommy, move over.
Everyone can hoop. It's okay.
Wait, tell me to hit my arm.
But we're doing a video. Do you want to make a video? Okay. Now spin it really fast around your waist. Why not? Okay. We'll be a poop.
Don't be a hoop hoop.
No.
Don't be a hoop pooper.
I don't want you to.
You don't want me to.
No.
Whoops.
Watch out. Flying hoop.
I know. Did you think you were going to go flying?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Mommy, I want you to do that.
I sort of looked up, was like,
All right. Let me turn off the video.
I like you doing that.